Did you know there is a 10-second morning coffee trick that melts body fat faster than anything else discovered? You don't have to struggle with trying to lose the weight any longer, because this all-natural morning coffee trick can quickly help you to get rid of those unwanted pounds for good. Plus it gives all-day energy and boosts health and well-being. All this without any changes to your current diet. And without adding any additional exercise to your current lifestyle. Scientists recently discovered the revolutionary science of nutritional synergy, and created a powerful formula that sends your body into fat-burning mode, to torch fat from problem areas the entire rest of the day. It's easy and works quickly. Best part, it only takes 10 seconds each morning. And it's something the billion-dollar nutrition and fitness industry does not want you to see. Monica does it every morning and has lost 47 pounds with no expensive diet pills or exercise equipment. Patrick no longer struggles with his energy levels throughout the day. Beth dropped several dress sizes to fit a beautiful slimming dress in time for her son's wedding. And as long as you follow through with taking this powerful formula every day, you'll experience these unbelievable results too. You owe it to yourself to join the thousands and thousands of men and women who have now changed their lives for the better. Click below to watch the video before it's gone for good.